Hello students, how are you all? Today I am going to teach you computer class 5 chapter 4. Name of the chapter advanced features of word processor second, and it is the second part of this chapter. So today we will learn about using some drawing tools. Earlier we studied about shapes. So let's start. MS Word provides us many drawing tools and we can use them. Let's see how to draw this hut. It is given over here, this hut. So let's see how to draw a hut in MS Word. For this, first of all, start Microsoft Word. Now click on shapes and take one rectangle, this rectangle from here, draw rectangle, and shape fill is given here, so click here and click on white color. So now again click on rectangle and draw this and shape fill white colors and drag this to make this equal. Now insert shapes, click on line and here, and you can choose any of the line option. So we will choose this one. Again from here, shapes line, will draw a line here and we will choose this option. Now again line and choose second option and again line then click on shapes line, a line here over here, then again line and again a line here. You can choose the thick as per your convenience and draw a rectangle and just click on shape fill and click on white color, and various things are given over here. Just like you select, you can select the outline color also. So if you want red, this if you want any other color. Okay, so this is how you can draw in MS Word using different drawing tools. You can change the thickness also from here, outline and weight as per your choice. So let it remain like this. You can fill colors, you can give effects. Okay, so these are the different things you can do using your drawing tool in MS Word. Inserting word art. How to insert word art? Let's see. The word feature allows us to create special effects. It gives a unique look to your text. Word art You can decorate effects such as curvy, wavy, shadowed, dimensional, etc. So select the text to which you want to apply word art effect, then click on insert, then click on word art. Word art style from the displayed list. A placeholder appears with the highlighted text. Your text here, replace the placeholder text with the text you want. Let's see. So suppose I want to type here, so click on insert, click on word art, and many options are here. Suppose I want this option, so placeholder here, I will click here, use backspace key to delete this and replace the text. I will type HUT art, and with this four-headed arrow, this is move button, you can move your these are at the point corner, these are resize handles, so you can resize. So now you know how to insert word art. Click on insert, click on word art, any of the word art which you want, and click here, delete this and type whatever you want, and place this using move handle wherever you want. Okay, so this is the way we insert word art in our document. Inserting clip art. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in your document. Means the pictures which are already in your MS Word, that collection is known as clip art gallery. Place the cursor where you want to insert a picture. Click on the clip art button from insert tab, and a clip art task pane appears right to the document. Type the desired word in the search box, whatever you want to search, like computer or anything else, and the clip art images related to that will open, and from there you can insert it and close. So let's see how to do this. Click on clip art, click computer, go, suppose this computer, click on this clip art and it is inserted to your document. Suppose you want here, so it is inserted. If you want a tiger, type tiger and go, and you can insert. So these corner are resize handles, this is move button, and this is move button, actually to move the picture, and this is rotate, so you can rotate. You can move your picture like up and down, and these resize handles. Adding watermark. Watermarks can be dimmed or faded impression of an image on a paper which is behind the text in your document. Word has a gallery of watermark to choose from, or you can insert your own customized watermarks. Let us learn how to do this. Click on the page layout, page background group, choose the watermark drop down, Select the custom watermark option. The printed watermark dialog box appears. Type the text which you want as a watermark and select it and click on apply button and OK button, and it would be applied. So let's see practically how to do this. Click on page layout, watermark, and custom watermark, and from here picture watermark, then select a picture. Suppose this lotus as a watermark and click on OK. So it would be as a watermark. If you will look carefully, then see there is a watermark behind. This lotus is behind the text of this picture. So this is the way how you can add watermark. Okay, I hope you understood all the topics. Rest of the chapter I will cover in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.